Good afternoon, this is just an impromptu quick little update video. Got a little bit of news hot off the press. The Court of Appeal have overturned the ruling on wild camping on Dartmoor. So for donkey's years it's been the case that you could legally camp on certain parts of Dartmoor without asking for permission from the landowner. But back in January, a wealthy Dartmoor landowner challenged that wild camping was not an outdoor recreation, and the court ruled in his favour, and subsequently wild camping was banned from Dartmoor without the landowner's permission. So as you can imagine, this caused a lot of uproar, and there were lots of petitions, thousands of people signed it, protests on Parliament and on Dartmoor land itself, and with a lot of fundraising and help from local communities, the Dartmoor National Park have put an appeal in, which was heard today. So it's taken 6 months, but finally the appeal on that decision was heard in court today. So I don't know about you, but for me, camping is a recreational activity. But in the original court case, they deemed that it wasn't an outdoor recreational activity. So it wasn't covered under those specific bylaws, well, to allow you to wild camp basically. So reading from the notes, the case hinged on whether wild camping counted as open air recreation, leading to a long debate in the Court of Appeal. The lawyers of the landowner said it's not, while the rest of the world know that it clearly is. The lawyers for Dartmoor National Park argued that backpack camping was an ancient tradition and popular pastime on Dartmoor, and gazing at the stars before waking to the sound of the morning chorus was certainly an open air recreation. And the judge has used his common sense and agreed with him. He said that whether you're walking for long periods of time, you may sit down and take a rest, lie down on the ground and fall asleep. He says it doesn't matter whether you fall asleep on the grass or whether you've got a little sheet of plastic on top of you, it's still classed as open air recreation. So he's ruled in the favour of Dartmoor. So once again, you can legally wild camp on certain parts of Dartmoor without having to ask permission from the landowner, which is great news for the wild camping community. So a big well done to Dartmoor National Park for fighting this case, as well as the thousands of people that signed the petition, all of the people that protested and created groups to fight the case. You've done a cracking job, and you never know, it may start the ball rolling when it comes to allowing wild camping in other parts of the UK. Fingers crossed anyway. I will leave a link in the description below to the article, and thanks for watching this quick video, and I'll see you next time.